It taste alright?
It's pretty good. Who's a tuba fire?
That's our dad!
What's your name?
Oh shit! Alright!
Dad, there's nothing to eat for breakfast.
Some cereal right here! Right here! Where's cereal right here? Right here! Where's cereal right here? Right here! Where's cereal right here?
Sorry, you can't do shit like a ball! Oh!
Get the ball down! Fucking jump! Get the ball down from there! And there! Fucking Josh! Do it, you bitch! Do it! Do it! Bitch! Gosh! Do it! Pussy!